Welcome to the discussion of the liquid test and the liquid limit. First off, liquid limit, plastic limit, and the shrinkage limit are generally known as the Atterberg limits tests, and these tests are used to establish the moisture contents at which fine-grained clay and silt soils transition between solid, semi-solid, plastic, and liquid states. So since iba-ibang properties ng soil, ibig sabihin, iba-iba rin ang test na dapat i-conduct. Okay? First off, sa liquid test and liquid limit. Sa mga liquid test problems, normally, ang binibigay ay ang test number, ang number of blows, ang weight of wet soil plus the container, ang weight of dry soil plus the container, and the weight of the container itself. First off, ang isosolve natin is ang weight of water. And how do we find the value of the weight of the water? Ang gagawin lang natin is to subtract. Subtract what? Ang isa-subtract natin is ang weight of wet soil plus container sa value ng weight of dry soil plus the container. So for example, sa test 1, ang value ng weight of wet soil niya is 22.47. Subtract lang natin yan sa value ng wet of dry soil plus the container, which is 19.44, giving us the value of the weight of the water at 3.03 grams. Okay? Itong formula na ito ay applicable sa rest of the tests. So, yan lang kailangan yung i-follow na formula. Madali lang. Next is the weight of the dry soil. So, how do we get the weight of dry soil? Since given ang weight of dry soil plus the container, ang isubtract na lang natin dyan is yung weight of the container itself. So, for example, balik tayo sa test 1. Since the value of the weight of dry soil plus the container is 19.44, subtracting the weight of the container at 12.74 grams, giving us 6.7 grams. So, yan ang weight of dry soil. Then, again, ang formula na ito ay applicable sa rest of the tests. Okay? Next. So, for the moisture content, ang gagawin lang natin, how do we get the value of the moisture content? Simply by dividing the weight of the water by the weight of the dry soil, then multiplying it by 100%. For example, this first test, so 3.03 divided by 6.7 times 100%, giving us 45.224. And again, ang formula dito ay the same lang throughout. Okay? Let's proceed. Next is, how do we plot this table? Kagaya ng ginawa natin sa sieve analysis. So nung sa sieve analysis, ang ginamit natin na values for x and y, for x, ang ginamit natin is ang diameter. And for the y, ang ginamit natin na value is ang percent finer. So in this case, sa liquid test, ang gagamitin natin na value for the x will be the number of blows. Then for the y values, ang gagamitin natin is ang moisture content. Okay? So, pasok tayo sa insert. This one. Oops. Okay. And then, select data. Okay. Let's add liquid. For x values, number of blows. Then for y values, the moisture content. There we go. Okay. Next is, para makuha natin ang liquid limit, una muna natin gagawin is we need to find out the linear equation nitong graph na ito. So, para makuha natin itong equation ito, kailangan natin gamitin yung slope-intercept form, which, again, is y is equal to mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the intercept. Okay? First off, paano natin makuha ang value ng slope, which is m? So, sa Excel, may function na pwede nating gamitin in order to get the slope and intercept. So, for slopes, gagamitin natin is ang function na slope. Okay. After mo ma-input ang slope function, hihingi siya ng value ng y and ng x. And again, ang value ng y natin is moisture content. Comma. Then, ang value ng x natin is ang number of blows. Close that. And therefore, we have the value for our slope, which is negative 0.0122. Okay? Next is the intercept. So, for the intercept, ang function na gagamitin natin is still intercept. No, not still. Ang gagamitin natin is ang intercept function. Okay? So, hihingi naman siya ng value ng y. Same again. Moisture content for y. And number of blows for the x. Close. Giving us 45.675 for the value of our intercept. Okay, now, since may slope and intercept na tayo, gagawin na lang natin is i-plug natin siya sa original na equation. So, y equals m, which is negative 0.0122, multiplied to x plus 45.675. Now, if you're wondering ano ang value ng x, ang value ng x, according sa manual, is 25 blows, saying na the moisture content at which groove closure of 12.7 mm occurs is at 25 blows. So, sa liquid limit, ang 25 blows ang magiging constant natin. Okay? So, plug 25 in the equation. Then, makuha na natin ang value ng ating liquid limit, which would be 45.37. Same here. Okay? So, ganun lang ang liquid test and ang liquid limit. I hope may natutunan kayo sa discussion nito, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!